Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.